What if I told you that the best coconut macaroons you will ever taste need 5 ingredients and no fancy tools? It's chewy, golden, irresistible macaroons, just pure coconut magic. For making a coconut macaroons, I have taken corn flour, egg whites, castor sugar, desiccated coconut, and vanilla essence. I have taken grill and bake mat where I don't have to grease. You can use a parchment paper and you have to grease it with butter and then dust it with corn flour. I have taken a piping bag and a large star nozzle. In a large bowl, add egg whites. Use an electric beater and beat the egg whites until frothy. Slowly add castor sugar while continue to beat the mixture. Keep beating until the egg whites are stiff and shiny. Scrape down the sides of the bowl with a rubber spatula. Add vanilla extract or essence and beat again till stiff peaks. They should point straight up without collapsing. The mixture is also thick and heavy. Add corn flour and half desiccated coconut. Gently fold in the mixture using a spatula. Add the remaining desiccated coconut and gently fold again. Now transfer all the mixture in a large piping bag fitted with a large star nozzle. Dust little corn flour on the prepared tray. Now pipe out small peaks or swirls. Also allow room for spreading. Preheat the oven at 130 degrees Celsius. Bake the coconut macaroon in batches. Bake them for 30 minutes or until they are lightly golden in color. After 15 minutes, I have rotated the baking pan, you can watch in the video, so it bakes evenly. This step is optional. Let them cool on the baking sheet for 5 minutes. Store in an airtight container at room temperature for a few days or up to a week in the refrigerator. These are perfect coconut macaroons. Soft and chewy on the inside, crisp and golden on the outside. If you love this recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.